Pretty. Brown. Pretty. Oh boy.
Hey, what's up YouTube? And welcome back to my channel, Fit for a Queen. This is none other than your favorite butch queen, Neptune Luciano, coming to you on a Fab Friday. The sun is out, the weather don't feel too bad, you know. I'm coming to you with this very quick video, record time for any of my videos that I film, because I can get a little long-winded, but this is gonna be quick because I wanted to do this little unboxing or unwrapping, opening, you know, quick little Ipsy review. If you guys don't know what Ipsy is a subscription, just like my BoxyCharm subscription that I had that I did a review on. If you guys happen to see that, which you should have, bitch.
You should have been tuning in. This shouldn't be your first video. But if it is your first video, thank you and welcome.
So let me just go ahead and kick this off. You know, I'm like literally doing this before my Uber get here, bitch. So it's like one of those, like, crunch for time. Okay, so check it. Once you get your Ipsy, right, it always comes in this fun little fuchsia bubble wrap. And you get a little bag. So Ipsy is like only $10.89 a month, which is cute, you know what I'm saying? And because you can spend that on an eyeliner or a mascara at the drugstore, you know what I mean? So that's nothing. You always get a different little bag that's a different little theme. So this little bag here, it says, and off she went to change the world. And off she went to change the world. This is like a little bronzy rose gold. This is cute. I might like, the thing I like about Ipsy is I think I like the bags more than anything I really get in it, no shade. But the bags are cute because, like, in the summertime especially, or if I'm like, you know, going out to the club or something, I just want a little something small to throw my stuff in, to carry like a little clutch or a little, you know, something a little dance in, hold in my hand, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know, these bags are so convenient. And they're really cute. So this one is cute. I like the material. It's like a little faux leather, you know. Then you get a little card in here. National Women's History Month. And shout out to all the strong women out there. You know, all the ladies. So this gives you like a little descriptions, all that good stuff, you know. So first in the bag, oh, Tarte Maneater. So this is a little mascara. Hey, I already used Better Than Sex mascara on my eyelashes today, so my eyelashes are set, I think. But Maneater, I like this. I love the thing about getting like smaller little mascaras because they are easy to throw in your bag to travel and stuff like that. But once I like open a mascara, I don't like to open a million of them, even if I do like want to try it, because I feel like they dry out soon and stuff like that. They don't like last forever, you know. So once I start using one, I like to go ahead and like finish that one out before I move to the next one. But because this is small, this is cute to throw in my bag, and I'll always have one just in case if I forget like my Better Than Sex one, you know. So, hold on, my camera look a little dark. There we go. I don't know if it was too dark, because my sun, you know, I'll be filming with sunlight, so we going up and down and up and down. But, you know, I'm dark, bitch. I need a little light. But this is cute. In Ipsy, versus like the BoxyCharm review that I did, Ipsy had sample sizes that it gives you. So it's not going to give you no full-size product. So I know some people like to get brushes from Ipsy because there's, well, you can have smaller travel size brushes, but usually they don't try it like that. They go ahead and give you like a larger brush. So I know people that like to tend to get brushes because it's like you can't be gypped that way, you know. So this right here is called Disco Kitten, and it's an illuminating peel off mask. So I just want to get this out. It's cute. It has like a little winking face.
Oh shit. It smells good, but it's like coming out, it's oozing all out. I'm like, damn, don't y'all usually be having seals on this stuff? Like, in the inside is like, as far as the manufacturer, you know what I mean? Where you have to like peel it open. Damn, bitch, you gotta warn a bitch. Open with caution, honey. You know, now I got the white stuff all over. Girl, ain't that type of party. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Lucky it smell good. You know what I'm saying? Lucky it smell good.
Okay. So also we have a little brush here. Oh, I actually needed one of these. They do send you like the cutest brushes. Oops, sorry, still some of that white little mask. But you see how it has like the glitter? So it's cute. It's like a clear handle with little like glitter on the inside. This is how like the shading part of it for that contour to help like blend that out. Hey, thank you, Ipsy. That's cute. All right.
This is by Ciaté London. It's a lip luster. And this is the color called Kiss Me. Ooh.
I think I was saying the brand right. I don't know. It's my first time hearing of it. But this is cute. Let's see. I already have a ton of gloss on.
Ooh, it smells good. It smells lovely. Oh.
I have a gloss that I'm wearing. Like I have purple lipstick on. And I also have a purple like gloss over that. So it's like extra purple. So I don't know if that would even shine through or do anything. But it smells so good. I have to take that with me today, bitch. Alright, this last item is called Space Case. Or made by Space Case Cosmetics. And it looks like it's an eyeshadow. So let's see. Has a cute little casing. Space case. Something very like 90s about the casing. Ooh, alright. So this is a green eyeshadow. It's like an emerald green. Eee. I still have that mask. That little mask that I spilled on my fingers and shit. But yeah, so this is like an emerald green, baby. I don't know if you can see that there. One little swipe. So it's pigmented, it's smooth, it's velvety. This is gonna be cute. I don't have like green eyeshadows really, so this is cute. I would definitely like to do a little look with this. So, as a cute little recap, we got a little eyeshadow, lip luster here, bam, got a brush, cute little mascara by Tarte, and we got our peel off mask. So we have 5 items. Sometimes I've even gotten 4 if I have gotten a full-size item. I've gotten 5 items. I like everything. To just have spent 10 bucks or 11 bucks if you round it up. It's really good. It's really good. I think these are cute. And the good thing about Ipsy, like I said with the bags, if I don't like the bag per se, I just put it to the side, and that's something I'm like, oh, cute little like gift for somebody, because it's easy to be like, oh, let me throw a little tissue paper around this, throw some little goodies on the inside that you might have purchased, whatever, and then hand it off. So, is it worth it? Yes, I've been happy with my Ipsys. Like I said, it's again and again and again. It's only 11 bucks. If you are a makeup wearer, you know that you could spend that on a drugstore setting spray, eyeliner, mascara, like a very basic product you could spend that on. And then to like be introduced to new brands, like I was introduced to a couple new brands in this one, and then also have like a little bag and everything, I feel like it's worth it, especially if you don't have the time to go out to these stores and look, or that's not the first thing you're thinking about when you're online, like, let me search for new beauty, you know, it comes to you. So bitch, why not make it easy and let the beauty come to you know? So if you guys are interested in joining Ipsy or whatnot, I do have a referral code. I'll put that down in the bio of this video. And I gotta go, bitch. So it's been nice Thank y'all for coming in, kikiing with me on this quick little Friday review, unboxing, unwrapping, whatever you want to call it. Don't forget, I will have my RuPaul's Drag Race episode 3 review for season 11. I will be posting that tonight. I gotta film it first. Bitch, I'm getting ahead of myself. I gotta film it tonight, and I will be posting it also tonight. So, thank you all for coming in, tuning in. Have a fab, fit, fun Friday. And, don't hurt nobody, bitch. Peace.
She been done had hers.